Saskatchewan, land of vast prairies, endless skies, and long winters. For generations, this Canadian province was a heartland for ice hockey. It was a way of life, woven into the fabric of their being. Kids laced up their skates before they could walk. They dreamt of Stanley Cup glory under the bright lights. But something was changing. A new wind was blowing across the prairies. A different kind of dream was taking root. Soccer, once a marginal sport, was gaining momentum. This shift wasn't a rejection of hockey but an embrace of something new. It was about broadening horizons. It was about the allure of the global game. The world was shrinking, and Saskatchewan's youth were eager to be part of something bigger. The summer of 2024 was a turning point. Jamie Leclerc, a former professional soccer player, returned to his hometown in Saskatchewan. He carried with him a vision. He dreamt of nurturing soccer talent in the place where he first kicked a ball. Leclerc organized a summer soccer camp. The response was overwhelming. Hundreds of kids from ages 8 to 18 signed up. They came from all corners of the province. They came with a hunger to learn and a passion to play. The camp was more than just drills and skills. It was about instilling a love for the game. It was about teamwork, discipline, and dedication. Leclerc became a mentor, a guide, and an inspiration for these young players. Saskatchewan's harsh climate posed unique challenges. Summers were short and intense, winters were long and unforgiving. But these young athletes were undeterred. They trained on sun-baked fields, their faces glistening with sweat. When the snow fell and temperatures plummeted, they moved indoors. They converted hockey rinks into soccer fields. They practiced in school gymnasiums. Nothing could dampen their spirits. They were driven by a shared dream to prove that Saskatchewan could be a breeding ground for soccer talent. Their resilience became their strength. They learned to adapt and overcome. The challenges they faced only deepened their resolve. They were developing a grit and determination that would serve them well, both on and off the field. As the first snowflakes fell, a new tradition was born, the Saskatoon Snowball Cup. This event marked the beginning of something truly special in the heart of winter. This wasn't your average soccer tournament, it was an extraordinary gathering where the love for the game transcended the harshest of elements. It was a celebration of soccer in the dead of winter, where the spirit of the game shone brightly against the backdrop of snow and ice. Teams from across Saskatchewan braved the cold, their breath forming clouds in the frosty air. The games were intense, with every player giving their all despite the freezing temperatures. The snow-covered field added an unpredictable element, making every move a challenge and every goal a triumph. Every pass, every shot was a test of skill and determination. The players had to adapt quickly to the slippery conditions, showcasing their resilience and adaptability. The Snowball Cup became a testament to their unwavering passion. It was more than just a game. It was a display of heart and dedication. It showed the world that soccer in Saskatchewan was not just a summer fling. The sport thrived even in the coldest months, proving the community's deep-rooted love for the game. One young player, a shy girl named Lena from a small town, caught everyone's attention. Her story became an inspiration to many. Her footwork was mesmerizing, her passes laser-sharp. She played with a confidence and precision that left spectators in awe. She moved with a grace and agility that belied the harsh conditions. Lena's performance was a highlight of the tournament, showing that talent can flourish anywhere. Lena became a symbol of the untapped potential that existed within Saskatchewan. Her journey from a small-town girl to a standout player was a beacon of hope and possibility for young athletes everywhere. Section 5. The Prairie Cup Challenge, a proving ground for Saskatchewan's finest. Spring arrived, bringing with it the promise of warmer days and the much-anticipated Prairie Cup Challenge. This annual event is more than just a tournament, it's a celebration of youth, sportsmanship, and community spirit. This tournament attracted top teams from neighboring provinces, each bringing their own unique style and flair to the competition. It was a chance for Saskatchewan's players to test themselves against the best. The energy was electric, with every player eager to prove their mettle. The stands were packed with cheering fans, families, and friends, all there to support their local heroes. The atmosphere crackled with excitement as the crowd's enthusiasm fueled the players' determination. Saskatchewan's teams, fueled by months of intense training and unwavering belief, rose to the occasion. Coaches had meticulously prepared their squads, focusing on both physical and mental toughness. They played with heart, skill, and a tenacity that surprised their opponents. Every match was a testament to their hard work and dedication. The under-16 boys team, led by a young striker named Liam, made a stunning run to the finals. Their journey was filled with memorable moments and hard-fought victories. Liam, inspired by Leclerc's guidance, had blossomed into a natural leader. His coach's wisdom and encouragement had a profound impact on his development. He possessed a rare combination of speed, power, and an uncanny ability to find the back of the net. His performances were nothing short of spectacular, earning him admiration from teammates and opponents alike. Section 6, the spirit of the beautiful game-building community on and off the pitch. The growth of soccer in Saskatchewan transcended the game itself. It brought communities together, creating bonds that went beyond the pitch. Families bonded over their shared love for the sport, finding common ground and joy in every match. Small towns rallied behind their local teams. The excitement was palpable, with every goal celebrated as a collective victory. Parents volunteered their time, organizing carpools and preparing snacks. Their dedication ensured that every child had the opportunity to play. Local businesses sponsored teams and tournaments, recognizing the importance of supporting youth and community activities. A sense of collective pride washed over the province. Soccer became a symbol of unity and shared identity. They were witnessing something special, a movement that was bigger than any one player or team. It was a celebration of community spirit. The values learned on the soccer field, teamwork, discipline, respect, extended into their everyday lives, shaping the character of young players. Soccer wasn't just a game, it was a force for positive change, inspiring hope and fostering a sense of belonging. It was breaking down barriers and building bridges within communities, creating a more inclusive and connected society. Section 7, a new generation of dreams, from Saskatchewan to the global stage. A new generation of soccer players emerged from the Saskatchewan prairies. They dared to dream big. They watched their heroes on television, competing in the world's biggest stadiums. They envisioned themselves wearing the Canadian national team jersey, representing their country on the world stage. They trained with a newfound purpose. They pushed themselves harder, knowing that anything was possible. The dream was no longer out of reach. It felt tangible, within their grasp. Scouts from professional clubs started to take notice. They recognized the raw talent and unwavering determination of these prairie players. Scholarships were offered, opportunities arose. The path from Saskatchewan to the global stage was being paved, one success story at a time. Section 8. Building for the Future. The rise of soccer infrastructure in Saskatchewan. The growth of soccer in Saskatchewan spurred investment in infrastructure. New soccer fields sprouted up across the province. Indoor training facilities were built, providing year-round access to the sport. Communities recognized the need to invest in the dreams of their youth. Government funding was secured to support youth soccer programs. Private businesses stepped up, sponsoring leagues and tournaments. The message was clear: soccer was here to stay. This investment went beyond bricks and mortar. It was an investment in the future of Saskatchewan. It was a recognition that sports could be a powerful driver of social change, economic growth, and community pride. Section 9. The challenges and triumphs of a developing soccer nation. The journey wasn't without its challenges. Saskatchewan, as a developing soccer nation, faced an uphill battle. They lacked the established infrastructure, coaching expertise, and resources of more established soccer powerhouses. But they embraced the underdog spirit. They learned from every setback, every defeat. They celebrated every victory, no matter how small. They knew that Rome wasn't built in a day. Success would come with time, dedication, and an unwavering belief in their abilities. Their story was one of resilience, determination, and the power of a shared dream. They were proving to the world that greatness could emerge from the most unexpected places. Section 10. A Legacy Ignited, the enduring impact of Jamie Leclerc's vision. Jamie Leclerc, the driving force behind this soccer revolution, watched with immense pride as the seeds he had planted blossomed. He had ignited a passion that spread like wildfire across the entire province. His summer camp had evolved into a year-round academy, nurturing young talent from a very young age. He had created a clear pathway for aspiring players, providing them with the tools and opportunities to succeed. Leclerc's greatest legacy wasn't just the players he developed, but the culture he instilled in them. He fostered a love for the game, a commitment to excellence, and a belief that anything was truly possible. Section 11. Saskatchewan Soccer, a bright future on the horizon. The future of soccer in Saskatchewan is bright. The dreams that were once just whispers on the wind are now being spoken aloud with conviction. The young players who honed their skills on the prairies are ready to take their place on the world stage. They carry with them the spirit of Saskatchewan, a spirit of resilience, determination, and unwavering belief. They are the future of Canadian soccer, and they are just getting started.